Welcome to the April 2023 release of Libby Updates, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Libby can be downloaded to an iPhone or to an Android phone using the Apple Store or Google Play, or use a web browser and search for libbyapp.com. Patrons can sign in, browse, borrow titles, and customize the Libby app for a better experience. Sign into Libby using your library card, or if you already use the Libby app, sign in by syncing with other devices. libbyapp.com. Not your library? Click Keep Looking. After clicking Keep Looking, this message pops up. Select No, I'll search for it. Enter the name of your library, city, or zip code. Some libraries may require a PIN. Unless you sign out, you will not have to sign in again. The number varies from library to library. Recent updates. Deep Search, Notify Me, new filtering system on search and library screens, pinning, multi-library search. Deep Search. Find titles in other libraries or titles that are not yet in the library. If the title is not in the library system, use the Recommended to Library feature. For those libraries that do not have the Recommended to Library feature, it will be enabled in June 2023. Notify Me. Tag a title that is not in the system. If it does become available in the system, you will receive a notification. New filtering system. You can now customize your search criteria by pinning a filter or sort selection. Magnifying glass icon, search. Library building icon allows you to browse your collection. 3 horizontal lines icon, menu, view your library, manage your library cards if you have more than one card, and get help support. All notifications will be at the top. Stack of books icon, shelf, manage holds, loans, and tags. Clock icon, activity timeline, see a history of your checkouts, etc. Search by title or by author's name. There are 61 book titles and 4 audio books under the author's name. Search results will also show if the book is part of a series, and if so, which number in the series it is. You can read a sample of the book, borrow the book, or place the book on hold. The filter icon replaces the old Preference and Find features. The filters with the gray backgrounds have not yet been selected. The filters with the purple background have already been selected. Audiobook displaying the number of listening hours. Sort filters. Example of pin sort. The search was sorted by popularity. If you wish to have all of your searches sorted using this, click Pin Sort. Popularity now displays a pin next to the popularity filter, indicating that it will be one of the filters used in any future search. To remove the pin, click on it again, then click Remove Sort. If you see this icon next to one of your titles, it means the item has been downloaded and can be read offline. This means the item is being streamed. To borrow, select title and choose your borrowing period. Click Borrow. To begin reading, click Go to Shelf. When the shelf page opens, if you click on the title above the image of the book, the next page will display a brief description of the book, reviews, available in other format, number of copies available, if it's part of a series, if it's Kindle compatible, etc. Or click Read With and select which app you would like to use for reading. Appearance, Search, Bookmark and Notes. Appearance. Adjust the text size, change the background lighting, and also features Open Dyslexia font. The settings select will apply to all books until changed. Appearance also features typeface, justification, line spacing, and weight, normal font or bold font. To return to the current page, click the back button in the upper left corner. Click on the menu at the bottom of the page and you will see the current page number displayed. Click on the table of contents and the table of contents will be displayed. Each bold line on the chart indicates where a chapter begins. To close this menu, click the back button. Using the Libby app in the web browser, you can define the meaning of a word. Left-click and hold down the left mouse button. The word would become highlighted. Then click Define, and the dictionary will open with the definition. On a cell phone, hold your finger on the word you wish to define, then click Define. To create a note using Libby app in a web browser, highlight words by clicking and holding down the left mouse button and dragging the mouse. The note you create will be saved. On a cell phone, press and hold down the first word and drag across the remaining words. Tap Highlight and create a note. After the book has been returned, to access your notes or highlights, go to Shelf, scroll down, and under Recent Tags, select the title. Books that you have recently borrowed will be displayed. Click on the title again, click on Reading Journey, and scroll to Timeline for this title. Click to open a bookmark or a highlight which will also display the notes. To place a hold, Libby will tell you how many copies there are in the system and how many patrons are ahead of you on the holds list. To manage your holds, click Shelf, then click Hold. Clicking Manage Hold and you have the option of suspending or canceling the hold. You will be notified when a hold becomes available. It is important to respond to the notification as soon as possible. Create a tag, click on Tag, name the tag, description is optional. Click on Play Sample. The playback window is similar to the ebook player. Playback speed, sleep timer, bookmark, click once, click again to attach notes. For help and support, return to the home page menu and click Get Some Help. You can ask a question, check frequently asked questions, and even make suggestions. Setting features. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial on April 2023 release Libby updates. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of the video, please contact me at gloria.terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561. Coming soon, Microsoft 365, Word, Publisher, and Excel.